come with me to build the world's tallest bicycle. Uh, I go to build it to get some steel. Then I get the assistant to show me the steel that I was looking for. He told me they're at the back. Um, then I got the side that I was looking for. I punched it. Then it was time to go. They told me that they don't have a grinder. I have to use the saw. Come on, me. Come on. Then I get out into the mall. I try to get some taxi. Then they told me that they still won't get inside. Then I have to go with my food from Katlehong to ZK. Come on, me. Come on, me. Then I was in my car now. Then I go to scrapyard to get the bicycle that I will use for the tallest bicycle. I didn't get it. Then will give me. It was time to pen it. Uh, don't forget to subscribe and like. Then I will continue on another video.